Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to use Street View on Google Map. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on to today's topic, we're going to show you how to use Street View on Google Map. So, if you have a Google Map on your device, you can tap open the application. If not, you can download it freely from Play Store and install it. So here we tap open the Google Map. Now here you have to first of all search for the location where you want to do the Street View. Go to the search box and type the Street View location that you want to try out. So I've entered a certain location over here. The red arrow has come over here on your location. Now you can see at the top right corner a diamond like button over here. Tap on that. You will get the options to how you want the map to show. And at the map details you can see various types of details that you can view in your map, so you can tap on the Street View option. After you do that, you can see these blue dots appear all over your map. So all these are the blue dots which will help you to have the street view from that spot. If you tap on the blue dot, then you can go to the Street View from that location, and then you can drag the screen and scroll around to have the Street View of this location over here like this. So you see all these blue dots are for the Street View options. Once you tap on that location, the pin is dropped over there, and then you will see a picture appear at the bottom left corner of your screen. So it will now show you the Street View exactly from that location of the area that you entered. So yeah, in this way you can explore the Street View option here in Google Map and explore your location. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and you have learned how to use the Street View on Google Map. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel WebTech Tutorials. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials and videos. If you have any comments or questions, you can mention them to us in the comment section below.